This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the passenger's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Lift the safety catch and open the bonnet. Unclip the safety prop and engage it with the locating hole in the inner wing. The battery is located on the left-hand side of the engine compartment. Lift the battery cover front section, followed by the rear section. Slacken the clamp bolt and pull the negative lead clamp from the battery terminal. Lift up the quick release lever and disconnect the positive lead from the battery terminal. Depress the locking catch on the side of the battery box and lift the battery from place. Maneuver the battery into place in the box, ensuring the clips engage correctly. Press the positive lead clamp onto the positive terminal of the battery and secure it by pressing down the quick release lever. Push the negative lead clamp down onto the battery terminal, then securely tighten the clamp bolt. Refit the rear section of the battery cover, ensuring it locates correctly with the battery box. Then refit the front section in the same manner. Support the bonnet, then stow the safety prop and firmly close the bonnet. Check the bonnet is securely locked.